Welcome to CJ Y Money Entertainment. And if you've never been to my channel before, I get happy when I get a box. Because there's always something special inside the box. And I get to use my knife. So let's open it up, see what's inside. Don't need the box. This is a projector. Plays music, sounds, brightness. It uses a TIF card. Let's see what's inside the box. Here's the projector. And all the controls is on the back. The TFI card, the charger, the sound, the auto, the play mode, fast forward, and the light. It also comes with a remote and a charging cord and the instructions. And if you don't know, I don't do nothing tech without reading the instructions. So we'll be back up close and personal because I love lights. Starry projector. And you click this once for the previous song. You hold it down to lower the voice. You click this once for the next song, and you hold it down for the voice to higher. This right here is your play mode, and the play mode will play a TAF memory card, which the TAF card will go here, or by Bluetooth, your Bluetooth device. Then you have the Starry mode, and that is for your green and your red and off. Mode, that's for your color. This right here is your power input. And this right here is your sound off audio sound. And the remote is self-explanatory. And it deals with the colors, the lasers, the volume, the play mode, the audio light mode, and the sound. And you put your Bluetooth on, make sure your Wi-Fi is on. DQM2. And there's DQM2. I have it hooked to the power bar, but it does come with its own cord, and you have to plug it into a USB adapter to plug into the wall unit. Okay, this music now is coming from my phone music catalog on my Bluetooth. This is some of the Starry designs. Some is like water, the ocean. Others has the change of colors. There's the stars for the Starry. They come and go, fade in and out. You can also tilt the light on the side, and it will give a different form of color. This can also go with the music that's on the Bluetooth or the TAF card, on your Bluetooth devices or on the TAF card. If you would like to purchase this projector, look in my description below this video. Also, when you get to Amazon, there is a box which is 50% off right now. and you'll be able to get 50% off on a discount. Enjoy. There's the stars for the Starry. And there's the Galaxy. And it determines on how you angle it for how much of the ceiling that it will cover. This is on a side angle, so it covers the whole entire ceiling.